Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. So as you know from the previous episode, we started decluttering the ground floor of the barn and also cleaning it a little bit. But in this one, we would like to go on the top part and start cleaning because there's a lot of dust and spider webs. And by the way, I found this. This was my grandfather's from the army, but we're not gonna use it. But it's just really cool. Let's get going. Quick update and short break for me. We removed a lot of stuff from here, actually everything, as you can see. But check out how much stuff was actually in here. We threw it all down, but we still have to tackle that region. That side of the attic, it's pretty clean. It does, not exactly pretty clean, but it doesn't have as much stuff as this one. But yeah, we need to clean it also. Okay guys, 60 years of dust, all gone at once. So this is the amount of stuff that we took out from the left side of the barn. We still have the middle one to tackle. So we're gonna do that after the lunch break. Me and my beautiful soon-to-be wife, we're gonna have ourselves a pretty nice lunch. And afterwards, we're gonna continue with the cleaning. But before going, check out my shoes. A lot of dust in there, a lot of dust. Okay, see you a little bit later. Bye. Okay, back at it. So now we've put a lot of light in here with the help of some roof tiles that we opened to get natural light in, and of course our trusty octagon. And we can see clearly this is about 60 years of dust and cobwebs collected. We're gonna take this out and then move on to the middle part. Let's go. Yo guys, check this out. This is my old skateboard. I'm gonna throw it down, but afterwards I'm gonna take it when we're finished and maybe pop a trick if I still remember it. Okay. I think in the previous episode we actually saw this sledge. I have some fond memories with my grandfather when I was a kid, and he used to pull me in the winter. I was sitting on the sledge. Yeah, good memories, really good memories, countryside memories. Let's get back to work. We found something pretty interesting. Check this out. This is a car number plate, and this was the number plate from my grandfather's car. I actually have a picture of me with my hand on the hood of his car when I was like a little kid. So I'll post this up on the screen so you can check it out. This is cool. I didn't knew it was here, but I'm really glad I could find it. So yeah, nice find. This thing is not so easy. It's just, he would say that is just, you know, you just have to dedust or clean a little bit, but it's not like that. It is harder than I thought it would be, and there's much more dirt than I thought of, but that's no problem. We're gonna push forward and still finish the cleaning up today. So yeah, let me catch my breath and then I'll start again. Okay, see you later. So we managed to finish the cleaning for the loft part. Now we have all this junk that we have to sort, and I'm pretty much tired, but let's push through because I want this finished and everything from here taken out. So let's do that. Hey guys, we've managed to clean out the barn as we planned in the beginning of this episode. That's a huge task. I'm really happy for it. I'm a little bit winded. We've been working all day, and during the cleaning process I found my old skateboard, and I promised you a little trick. Let me check if I still have it. Not quite. One more try. Almost. Anyhow, thanks for watching. In the next episode, we're going to tackle the electrical part and also the walls situation. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.